What's up, guys? Just trying to get my stuff set up over here. There we go. There we go. Man. I feel like we need a big pullback here. It's like we're oversold here. Let's get an account selected. Definitely need a deep pullback here. Don't want to just jump. Just gonna keep going straight to the moon. What's up, Trader G? I know, it's kind of like all you have to do is buy the pullback, it seems like. Oh, pullback may never happen. So true. I know it might just be going straight up all the way till we close. For a long, we need a pullback maybe into the 70s or 60s here. Hopefully we're just not going to go straight up. Not without a pullback. I mean, we've run into a nice little wall here at the 2888s. Oh, goodness. Just not really a lot to do here, guys. We're just kind of consolidating at the high up here. And man, it's so hard just to jump in on the high here. Let me put on a higher time frame and see what we have to the. Man, we have not been. This is the highest that we've been since September. Let me go back. Let's see. 200. We'll do back 6 months here. I mean, this is all the way back to August. Oh, maybe. That's it. Was trying to get them all-time highs up there. Yeah, so 21,000, about 25. So, I mean, 100 points off. Man. Might have missed my pullback messing with it. On the live. Getting above this 56 level here. I like to see us get above the 900s and maybe find support above here. I don't want to get long around the whole number. Let's see. Guys, we're just too high up to jump in right now. I mean, I know we're watching it go up, but we gotta have a decent pullback. And we have interest rates decisions tomorrow, so it should be pretty wild tomorrow evening also. So we're still hovering around the hold number. Damn. Hopefully the market, I feel like the market's just overexhausted. We got to get a pullback, guys. Oh, man, come on. Man, the ES is just starting to push. Come on. If I had to pick a pullback, I'd like to see it all the way back to the 83s. But I'll settle for 22. This would be your 20 here, around the 60s or 88s. Just right on the top of this IBL 1.5. We're getting that nice little U shape right there. See that little U shape? We just need to see a little stair step in a red candles. The riskier trade would be if you're just willing to hop in off the 20. I mean, willing to hop off on the 9 EMA and just follow the 9 EMA up. Look at this crap. Come on. If I was in this trade, it'd pull back and stop me out. Yeah, I don't like taking heat either. I've been in a lot of those trades, it seemed like recently, where I got to sit through it. We were super aggressive this morning, so I'll be okay with not being aggressive today. I was super aggressive yesterday. I don't have any profit on this account, so I have no reason to be aggressive right now. Well, we're trading this account here. We still need about $860 to get to the funded level. Then that'll give us 3 Apex funded. So all the profit we made is over on Bulanox this morning. So that's why we're not being super aggressive this evening, guys, because we have no profit. We don't have any profit to risk. I mean, we're up what, $736 on this account, but I really don't want to risk any of that either. I prefer to add at least $100 to it this evening if we can. Damn, God, guys. Just to the moon. Yeah, it's... I mean, if you feel like gambling, I mean, it's following the 9 EMA up. I mean, okay, so maybe that's a pullback candle. That candle did not pull back into the 9, so maybe we can get a deeper pullback this time. I'd like to see 2 or 3 candles, but... So I marked out the high, which is over 100 points away, all the way up at the 21,100. So damn, are we just still? Oh my God, it just wouldn't go deeper. We need it back closer to the 90s at least. Come on. Give us a little room to, a little bit of a room to move up and not try to buy in at the top. The ES looks like it's just going. ES is like, we're not pulling back today. Little doji. A little bit of doji candle. Man, I don't know. This one's still kind of iffy, guys. We're so high up. This is so high risk. You really need a 20 pullback, but ah, shit. Is that the 20 pullback? Let me see if that's gonna be the 20 pullback here. We don't really want to keep testing the 20. So what happens if we keep retesting the 20 EMA? We will end up having to retest the 50 moving average. All right, I'm not going to risk anymore, so I don't have to stop us out. Let me find my ES chart. Man, guys, maybe that was our top there. Damn. If we lose this level, if we lose that 82 level, we're going to the 50s probably. Whew, man. We hit that trend line. Looks like that was just a fake out to the freaking upside there. Damn it. Liquidity at the 875s. Man, this bitch is selling. This damn thing is selling back down. Maybe we'll at least run these wicks up here at the top. Then everything's in the trade to get 5 ticks. Then return. So true. Yeah, this is tough, Charles. I guess we're just going to have some grinding time before we get to dump this evening. Oh, it's like, man, we need the ES just to take off. Took this based on the ES. Oh, dang it. I saw the ES get above that level, and I thought that was just nothing but a fake out, guys. Ooh, it's going to probably put us back in the hole again. What are we in that for? About 11? So I was thinking once we printed above this IB 1.5 that we will continue long. I'm sorry, Charles. I missed your text there about trading. Which break and retest were you talking about? Oh, it's retesting now. No, I tried to take this trade based off on the ES. Actually, I thought once we retested this one level here, I thought we would move up higher, but puts us in the hole, $100. Man, this has been straight chop for power hour, guys. No really real moves. I'm just trading super aggressively. You were too early. So we're just still just kind of being patient, waiting. Man, you would think that we have like a big retracement this evening. What about the what trend line were you on? Was this one? This is that one I took and failed earlier. Yeah, this is definitely some rough entries, Charles. How many times have you tried to take the trade up or down? Twice? Okay. Do you, are you going break even, or are you getting out of your trades quick enough if it looks like it's stalling? Break even? Well, that's good. At least you're able to get to break even. That's why sometimes when we got trading days like this is why if it doesn't look like it's going to go, I just go to break even, and I rather do that than take a huge loss. Last time I tried to jump in a long like this, it ended up being a freaking fake out. So I don't know. Man, this thing's gonna. Usually I give all my profit target back in lunch hours. That's why I try not to trade lunch hour, Eric. So if you're trading your profit in the afternoon, I usually lower my risk down to either 1 or 2 micros and just try to add to your profit. That way you don't, completely destroy it. Man, I can't believe this thing just skyrocketed freaking 20 points. I know, this is insane. It's like you sit here and wait patiently to try to get into this move, and it's like I've been early. I don't know how many times. I mean, I was thinking we were going to dip down, and this thing just it had rocket boosters on it. Man, I really don't. I took this trade a while ago, the last time that the ES got above the 61, and that's one of the trades that failed on me a while ago. Sounds good, Trader G. Hopefully, Power Hour will get a little bit better within the last couple minutes of the day. Oh, goodness. Yeah, it's definitely super risky. Man, do we do we dare to tempt that again? Wow. Hello, Signature. How are you doing today? Any trades today, trader? Uh, Shit, do we just jump in? Gotta have a pullback. The one time I didn't jump in when we print above this, we start going to the moon. All right, we're just going to do this the end of the day trade here. We got 2 minutes before the last the power hour. It could rip our heads off and go back down. Super, super risky here, guys. Super risky. I'm not liking how it's taking. It's taking way too long here. We want it to go. If it comes back down in this area, we'll look for a re-entry. Right there at our first target, but just could not get through those 30s. Damn. This candle is about to take off either up or down right here. 10 seconds. Please just hit my target, then do what you want to do. Oh no, here it goes. I don't no idea what just happened there. Oh, it happened so fast I couldn't even see it. That was weird. You see that weird stuff? Like it stopped me out before I can even see it. Then the aggro candle. That was so weird. That was a strange candle. Whew. Man, maybe it might be a 100-point dump. Don't tell me. We're just on 2 micros too, guys. Thought once we broke this midsection, we'd be going downtown. Too late to hit the brakes, my guy. Just in case it pops back up. This way we're not in this for no more than like 20 bucks or so. In case they pull a just want to be back above my EMAs here. Woo, I think we've been wrecked for like 2 days in a row on freaking Power Hour, guys. Maybe this last candle here will give us something. We either the waterfall, or are we going straight to the moon in the next 15 seconds? Come on, push, 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 push. Oh my God. Damn it. I had a feeling about that with candle. That's what I was saying. Either we're going to go straight down or the waterfall, or we're going to have the moon shot there. Come on. Just trying to make sure I keep my EMAs in the right place, or my right, just above where usually we go to whenever we pull back into EMAs. If this stop, okay, that stuff's curling around. I guess this will be our last trade of the day if it fails here. I don't know if I feel like we got time to stop me out, but I don't know if we got enough time to get back down 73 points. I mean, down to the 73s. I want to say somebody said that we needed to run 75 before we pull back up. Nice call out on the 75. Wow, we just stalled here at the end, guys. We should get something at the 58 candle. The 58 candle usually gives us a little bit of movement too. That looks like it should get us. Come on. Oh, it's messing with me. Come on, let's drop this thing. Let's just have a waterfall at the end of the day. Damn it. That's a pretty strong looking candle on the ES there. Ooh, look at this volatility on this candle. It's insane right now. Okay. Oh, the end of the day candle got me, guys. What's going to suck if it sells off here? Ooh, a lot of volatility. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me today. It got you twice on that one. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing you can do about it whenever we got volatility like that. That sucks that crap went up after we got out. That was a pretty tough power hour, guys. So that's like the second day in a row that we've had tough power hour. Well, are you at least keeping your risk management kind of small, Eric? Man, it looks like they're just carrying this thing straight to the freaking moon. Oh, you're talking about the profit that you made during the day, then gave it back this evening. I was thinking maybe we'd have like a big sell off or something, some kind of big retracement since we had such a huge run up in the last, 24 hours. Man. Yeah, I'm just going to wait a few more minutes. We're just trying to see if we're going to sell off or not here. Oh, yeah. Are you talking about you got wicked out on that 55 candle? Or that death candle before? So my Apex account's going to be red for the day, but Beulah Knox, this is what we traded this morning. We did not trade Beulah this morning. So we traded one mini, actually. That's why we ended up with... Actually, that was an accident. I thought I was on another account, and I was actually on this account. So that's why we ended up with so much on this account. So that was an accident. Just fortunately enough, it was a winning trade. We made basically $100 on this account. We were trading pretty small this morning, like anywhere between 2 micros to 6 micros. And the same with this one. This is pretty much what we traded all morning. But we didn't want to risk any of our profit this evening. I actually took an accident trade on a sim account too. Funny on that one. I'm just... when it happened, I thought I was on a different account. Then we ended up in the red, and I looked at it. I'm like, oh crap, we're on a sim account. Because whenever I stop trading account, a lot of times I'll sit it on a sim account until I'm ready to trade my next one, and so I don't enter by accident. Then this one we're down 350 on. This is just a flip day. So we traded this account for 10 days. So that's how we got to the $3,000. So now all I got to do is just submit it to Beulah Knox to be funded. You want short? Man, I tried that short earlier and got wrecked. I'm not going to mess around and be jumping in no after market Soon as I jump into that crap, man, I'll get wrecked. I'm not sure when my cutoff is either. I know I have a cutoff with Beulah Knox. I don't know if I'm allowed to trade all the way up until the 5 o'clock or if they cut you off right after the close. Eric, how many different counts are you trading? Okay, so what is that? 5 o'clock? Oh, you're trading your own account. Man, that's something I want to do eventually. Eric, is trade my own account. How much are you trading? Like, what is your how many minis or micros do you trade at one time? Trading 1 to 2 micros at this point. Okay. That's not bad there. I like doing 2 to 4 micros. Maybe one day we'll be doing the live account. I want to do like $2,000 or $3,000 in a live account and just trade like one micro and just risk 200 to make 200 a day or something like that. Or do 5 micros with the runners like I do sometimes. And just have $100, loss for the day. Kind of a set stop as far as profit goes. All right, guys. Thank everyone for watching, and we will be back in the morning. Hopefully tomorrow evening's a little bit better than today. Today was pretty crappy. I'm not going to lie. Like, it seemed like nothing was working out. I mean, we got a few little trades here and there, but for most part, everything just kept coming back and stopping us out. No good runners. I mean, it's like nothing was really working this evening. It was just kind of chopping back and forth. The one trade where I did get my points, it was pretty much a wick. This was the death candle here where it wicked up, stopped me out, then reversed. So it's probably going to continue selling all the way off like 200 points. I know when I first started trading, I tried to use my own money, but after losing a few $100s, I decided it wasn't probably the right decision. And that's when we switched over to prop firms. Traded a lot of sim accounts. All right, guys, we will see you guys in the morning. Thank you.